Hey there, Ashley Fields here with Fields Accounting Firm. I wanted to provide some advice on how to ask the right questions if you are looking for a new accountant. So, there could be various reasons why you need an accountant. It could be only for just personal tax filing or if you own a small business. So, when you are looking for a new accountant, first thing I do want to make mention is that your accountant doesn't necessarily have to be located in your state. As practitioners, we can actually work in all 50 states. So maybe you don't find the right accountant in your local area. You can also scout for new accountants outside of your state. But here are some questions that you should ask your new accountant. So, if you are just needing individual tax preparations, you just want to call your accountant, your potential accountant, and acquire about rates. You want to understand how often do they raise their rates. Also ask about what percentage in which they raise their rates. And you also want to understand their level of expertise in terms of tax filing. Maybe you are someone who has a complicated tax filing. Maybe you have RSUs or you have a rental property. You want to ensure that you ask the right questions to understand the level of expertise that this potential accountant may have. A lot of my clients, they have pretty complicated taxes on the individual side. Some of them have RSUs with their employers. And so you have to make sure that you input and file those type RSUs correctly on their tax return, because any wrong mistake can potentially cause the client to owe, and it may not be the case. So, depending on your unique tax situation, you want to make sure that your accountant knows how to handle this on your tax filing, and you should also ask them their process when filing your tax return. And if they get frustrated or you feel that they are not giving you the information that you desire, then you may need to continue your search. Now, if you are a small business owner and you are looking for an accountant, I have also business clients as well, and I manage their accounting. So, as a small business owner, you want to make sure again that your potential accountant is educated in terms of managing a small business. Will they ensure that you are getting the best tax strategy for your unique business type? Are they putting you on a budget? Are they forecasting? Are they looking for funding for your business? Are they paying attention to what quarters are slow versus the other so that they can actually warn you, hey, you need to slow down this month. We need to put you on a budget because based on last quarter, this was your slow period, and we want to make sure that we get ahead of the game. So these are some really good questions that you should ask your accountant. So it's all based on whatever needs that you may have, and you need to also ask their process of dealing with your unique situation. Again, if they are frustrated or if they refuse to provide any detail, then you would need to continue your search. If you are looking for a new accountant, I'm actually located here in Smyrna, Georgia, but I have clients all over. You should also understand as well, I actually need to make mention of this. You don't necessarily need to work with an accountant in your local area, especially if you are having a difficult time finding a legitimate one. You can also continue your search out of state as well. Like I said before, I'm actually located here in Smyrna, Georgia, and I have clients all over Florida, Delaware, Texas, I said Florida already. I said Texas. I have a client in Wyoming, so I'm pretty familiar with state taxes as well. So if you are looking for a new accountant, you can actually comment below and let me know, and just say interested, and I can actually reply to you directly and ask for your email address, or I can give you mine and you can just send me a contact and I can forward you all the details that you need. Alrighty, so be sure to like and subscribe. If you have any other questions, maybe you want to know what questions you need to ask that's tailored to your specific need, feel free to drop the comment below and I will individually reply. Until next time, take care.